So if you're looking for a stylish wallet with some pretty cool features, you're going to want to check out this one right here. I was sent this wallet for an honest review and I've been digging it so far. I'm going to tell you about its best features, and then a little bit later on in the video, I'll tell you about some things where they could improve upon or some things that I don't like about the product. So one thing that I really like in a wallet is like a really quick and easy way to get my cards to appear. This is an extra wallet. It's pretty old, but I have been using it and I'm just using it to compare the two features. But like with the extra, you have this little button down here and then the cards pop out like that. What I don't like about this is the cards get loose a little bit and they fall out. But I tried the same thing with this new wallet, and instead of that little button at the end, there's this like little flap right here that you just pull on and your cards come out really easily. Let me show you again in case you missed it. Bam, and then you can just grab your cards and go. That is a really awesome feature, and they aren't as loose as the ones in the extra wallet. Now there are a lot of slots in this wallet. You got 1, 2 right there that you can put cards in. On the other side where you would put your ID, above that you have a card slot right there. Of course you have the underneath the ID, you can put a card. And then right now I have 3 cards in the fancy part of it. I probably wouldn't want to put any more than 3 in there. It does feel a little bit cramped in there already, so you can hold 3 in that fancy part right there. There is a money clip, which is not something that the extra wallet necessarily has. And then it's actually adjustable in case you haven't gone to the bank yet and you don't have as much money. You're able to tighten it and also extend it depending on how much money you have in your wallet. Now I really love how slim this is. Like I said, it's very minimalist and slim, and also it's black, which is my favorite color. The extra wallet that I have is brown, and it's got a lot of weathering to it, a lot of patina on there right now. And just look at how much thicker the extra wallet is. I like the slimmer profile in this one rather than this one. And so yeah, that's a big plus for this new wallet. Now, one really important feature about this is that it's RFID blocking, which the extra wallet is not. Now that means that because all of our cards these days are tap to pay, a lot of thieves are trying to figure out how to steal your money by just tapping near your phone. But this type of wallet blocks that instantly so that you don't have to worry about people stealing your identity or your money. This is perfect for your daily carry. It's just the bifold, so there's just one opening there, so it doesn't have to get too technical there. It's got a really cool design. It's very nice and sleek and modern. Maybe the one thing that I don't really like about this wallet is this little logo on the back front. I don't know. I just would have preferred it without that at all. And that is getting very nitpicky. So, you know, it might not bother you at all, but if I had to pick something that I don't like about the wallet, it would be that little logo right there. They have a lot of confidence in this product, so you actually get a 12-month warranty with it as well in case you need to replace it or it breaks or anything like that. The material that it's made out of is a microfiber leather, so it feels really premium, looks really premium, and like it's going to last quite a while. Pretty flexible right there too. So yeah, if you're looking to upgrade your wallet but keep it minimalist but also stylish, this is the perfect wallet for you. Or it's also the perfect gift for a dude if you're looking to buy a man a gift or anything like that. This would be a great gift to give them. So yeah, those are all the things that I like about this wallet. It's a really awesome product. Now you can add one of these to your cart right now, but before you check out, make sure to scope out my Amazon storefront. I've got tons of other products on there that could improve your daily lifestyle, your hygiene, your style, your gaming experience, high-tech products, a lot of cool stuff over there. So go browse the storefront, see if there's anything else that catches your eye, and see my opinions on it before you check out.